Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are planning for December. I am so excited. This is it. This is the final plan with me in this notebook, in this planner. I'm so psyched. It's the last month of 2020 and I've seen a lot of memes online that talk like, oh, everybody is so excited for 2021 as if all our problems are going to go away. It's nice to hope though, isn't it? It's just nice to be optimistic. And I think the new year just makes everybody so much more optimistic, so much more. They think that, all their problems will actually go away and they will gain all of these superpowers like being able to lose weight and being able to do all the things that they couldn't get around to doing in the year. And yeah, so this year it's extra special because this year has been super weird and I think everybody's just really glad that it's gonna be over soon. I know I am. So this month my theme is very basic. It's just your classic red and green theme. I decided that when I do plan out my spreads, they always end up a little bit weird. I feel like they never turn out the way that I want them to anyway, so I feel like I need to just go back to the way that I used to do it, and I would just open my notebook and whatever I was feeling at the moment, I just went with it. So that's what I did today, and I think it really worked out. I really love the way that this whole theme turned out. Every single spread looks so cool. So I just used a green marker, a red marker, and some gold washi tape, and that's it. And I just drew some candy cane stripes as like a faux washi tape, like a really thick washi tape, like maybe a ribbon. Probably that's better. Probably that is more of a thing. That is yeah. So it's more like a nice thick ribbon, and then I drew some little doodles of mistletoe. So that was the title spread, and then moving on, I went to do the monthly spread, and I did this little strip of ribbon on top here as well. And I feel like this is actually a good, well, not a hack. It's not a hack because it's just drawing a ribbon. But if you don't have any washi tape, or if you don't have washi tape that matches the theme that you want, you can just draw it on. There's my tip for this is the tip for the month for your plan with me, is if you have no washi tape, just draw the washi tape that you want. The last month in this journal, I'm so excited because I'm so ready to move on to my new journal. If you saw my previous video, it's when I was unboxing my new journal. I was really excited to see how there's no bleed through in that journal. So it's the Archer and Olive 160 GSM paper notebook. So I'm super excited to move on to that. Right, so as you saw, when I flipped over to this spread, I ended up skipping a page again, which is what I've been doing when I see that the design on the previous page started to bleed through. So yeah, I'm really excited to not do that anymore and not waste pages. Even though I feel like this year, finally, it looks like I'm actually used a decent amount of this notebook. I haven't wasted too much of this notebook, which I'm so glad about, because last year my notebook had like a good chunk of it left when I switched to this notebook. That I love having a nice full notebook. There's nothing more satisfying than filling a notebook up all the way. now we're moving on to my spreads for planning my YouTube and Etsy shop. And you see here that I am counting. I am back to counting. The last couple of videos I just didn't count and everything turned out wonky. And as much as I love to go with the flow and just, whatever, I ended up with just uneven blocks that ended up not looking too good once it was filled up. Yeah, I'm back to counting and actually measuring out where my blocks are supposed to go. So I have a few more videos planned for the end of the year. I don't know if I'm going to manage to get them all done, but I'm really excited. I have a new project that I'm working on, which is a newsletter. So I'm going to have a newsletter. Well, I already have it. It's already functioning. But you can sign up to my newsletter. Please sign up to my newsletter. It's just going to have like little updates about my videos and what products new coloring pages that I have designed. So I design coloring pages for my Etsy shop, and what I want to start doing on my YouTube is actually show you how I design my coloring pages. So that's going to be a new series. I hope that the first one is going to come out in the next few days. There's that video, and then there's going to be a flip through of this notebook soon, or maybe it's going to come maybe like in January. Then the most exciting video for me anyway is setting up my new notebook, and I can't wait for you to see it. And I can't wait to get into a new notebook. This poor notebook, it's not even finished yet, and I'm already like over it. That was that spread. This new spread is the weekly spread, and I really like how this turned out. I went back to the diagonal ribbon in the corners, and then I also did like alternating colors for the days, and I really think it turned out looking really cute. I'm really happy with this last month of 2020, the last theme of 2020. I'm actually really also looking forward to doing the flip through because it's gonna be so interesting to look back on all the spreads. I did add a little berry in the corner there. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to not miss any future videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!